Hopefully you guys get to watch me biff it again. Pretty little spot. One of our favorite spots. So I really like this. Whoa. No? I remember this part.
Huh?
I remember this part. Ooh, I almost went again. Isabella just thinks it's funny. She gets good entertainment for the day.
No.
Oh, coming through. Okay. Okay. Ooh, ice. Watch out, there's ice on this part, girl. Oh, you good?
Yeah.
Can't remember where this goes. I thought it went down. I think it goes back up.
No, es arriba, arriba.
It is? Alright. Oh yeah, here's the little cairns. Okay. Cairns. What are they called? Oh, there we go. We got some sun. Oh. Oh, yeah. You're going down your back. Who do you remember the last time we kind of wandered around on this spot because we couldn't figure out how to get up?
Oh, yeah. We're going to the top because that's it.
Oh. Yeah, these guys even did the same thing. Okay. They went that way and they're supposed to go this way. Remember we went around that way? Oh. Whoops. Oh, oh man. Don't want to eat it again today. Good? Okay. There's our stairs. It's a good thing I'm holding a camera in one hand, so I only have one hand to catch myself if I die. Alright. Come back, son, we want you. You kind of like it? There's a lot of snow?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the Druid Arch place, remember?
Huh?
That's where the arch is, that big arch we went to, the Druid Arch.
Oh.
It's over there.
Yeah, because it's soft to my...
Oh, to your knees and everything?
Yeah.
Isabel's a lot more graceful than me, so unfortunately you guys aren't going to get any good crashes. Let's look. Chelsea Park this way. 0.8 miles. Alright, we're gonna pause it for a moment.